Search smart. Use truncation. Most databases allow you to use truncation symbols to search words with a common root or stem. Different databases use different symbols for truncation. The most commonly used symbol is an asterisk. For example, theat will find theater, theaters, theatrical, etc. Here is another example. Mech will retrieve mechanic, mechanical, mechanics, mechanism, mechanistic, etc. Truncating too early will give bad or irrelevant results. For example, inter will find internet, internship, international, etc. They mean totally different things, so use a truncation symbol wisely. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library.